Welcome to the course for PowerShell scripting and automation for SQL Server database administration. In the today's session, we are going to learn how we can remove some character from the string, either from the beginning or either from the end. Or if you want to display the character after the three character, like I have the string which having the 10 character and we don't want to display the from beginning three character. So like that we are going to discuss. Just example I will go and I will just explain you. I am taking a variable $a and in here I am saving the value a b c e f g h I j k l m n o p q r s t u p w x y and last is z. If somebody is saying you to display the only third character, three character from the beginning like this, or somebody is saying you to display the only three character from the end, or someone is saying display the please don't display the last three character and display everything. This is the way. Or somebody is saying like don't display the first three character and after that whatever character is there display the all. So this is the basically this four category you have we are going to work. It's the very simple to do, but it is very useful. Why I am just teaching these things because as a SQL server, if you are going to develop any script using PowerShell and for the SQL server, maybe you have to take some value, add it somewhere, or you have to add the prefix, or you have to take some path and then you have to add with some extra value. So for that, it is very important to know how we can remove the value from a string or we want specific some value. So let's start the course now and we will see how we can do this, right? So it's very simple. This is the four result that one we have to get. So what I will do, I will just cut this from here. I'm pasting it here. And what I'm going to do, just we will start now. So we have to, if we have to display the first three character like in this way, so what we have to do, it's very simple. We can take this result where this is the value. So now if I'm going to execute this, what happened, my $a variable, it's having the a b c d that e to z value. So I will little bit I will make up. So now you can see, sorry, it is displaying not. So now if I will display this, so now you can see it is displaying the value. And if you want to display the first three character, we are going to use the method that's called substring. Substring, and in substring we have to pass 0, 3. 0 means your from beginning you want to display the third character. If I'm going to execute this, my result is ABC. If I'm going to give here 1, the what is the meaning of this means leave it from the first position, display the three character. If I'm going to execute this means BCD. If I'm going to give here 2, so from second character display the three things. Okay, so this is the way where you can develop this very simple. If you have any path and there you want to display just three character, you can go with this method. Always I'm telling you, whenever you are writing the script, always create your function. So what we will do, we will just go and we will create this function. So I have just I will comment it and just I will write display first three character. So display first three character from the beginning. Sorry, it is where it is. Display first three characters of string. So you can go in this way. And second thing, we have to create the function for it, because whenever you are start writing the script, what you have to do, you have to go with the function. So whenever it is required, you can call the function. So how we can create the function? So I'm just adding this line, creating function, creating function for display the first character. So how I will go and how I will create the function, I will directly like function. What is the function? Display hyphen first three characters. So this is my function. And what happened here, if you are going, this is your fixed value, right? So but if you are going to create any function in the programming, what we are doing, we are passing the parameter and it is giving the result. Maybe we are not going to save, or otherwise this value here, it is saved, it is just, it is the constant value for it, right? But in real time, what happened, their value is always changed, right? You are taking for something, for their, your value will change. So what we have to do, what value we are going to pass from here, it has to change the value. So for that, always we have to create the function. So we will pass the parameter, it has to give the result, right? For that, we are going to create the function. So create function, you can write function and function name. After that, you start bracket and you give the square bracket, write a string. This is my string, and I'm giving dollar, means what value you will pass, it is going to pass from here. And if you are going to write create the function, you have to write everything into the curly bracket. So in curly bracket, what we are going to display, we are going to display the value of this. The same thing, whatever you are seeing here, I will copy, I will paste here. It should not be a, it should be value, because this value we are going to pass. If you want to know more about the function, please go and visit my Udemy course. There I have explained everything in nice way. So this is the function, and I will give here 0. I should give, okay. And how to call the function? You have to just run this function name and you have to pass the value from here. So what I will do, I will pass my value A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? So first I have to load this function into the memory. It is loaded, and now I'm just calling my function. I'm getting the result A, B, C, right? So this is the things. But here what will be happen if my value is less than 3, right? If I'm passing only 2 value, then what is going to be happen? It is going to give me the error. So always you have to test everything, like how to just write your code so it should not has to give the any error. For this, how we can remove this or how we can overcome this, we will write the if else loop. So where we can write the if else loop, so only you go and check, because I have written the 3, right? So we will give, if the value is less than greater than 3, then only you display the value, because it has to display the 3 character, right? So 3, at least 3 value has to be there, then only it will display, otherwise it will fail. So as per your logic, if you are writing something like prefix should be 3, it has to be removed. So you can write this function in this way. You can write if else loop, if dollar values, what I have to write, dollar value dot length, and what will be the length, it should be greater than 3. If it is greater than 3, then only you go inside that and execute this line. Else what it has to do, else what it has to do, you can write here, write host. What write host you want to display? I want to display values has been given is less than 3 characters. Okay, so in this time, if I'm going to call this again, I have to load this function into my memory. And if I'm calling this function, what I will get the result, I'm getting this value has been less than 3 character, right? So if you want to display this into the some color format, you can go with background color. Oh, sorry. background color, and I will display in red because this is something error. So again, if I'll change something in function, I have to load this again, and you can just send this value. So it is give this result. If you're going to send 1 2 3 4 something like that, call this function, it will going to display the result AB1. So whatever value you want, you can change and just call the function, it is going to display the proper result. So this is the script for displaying the first three character of the string. In the same way, what we are going to do, we are going to just this time I will copy this. I don't want to write the code again and again, otherwise video is going to be very big. So next things is what, display the last three character. How you can display, you have to write the, in here what we have done, we have just passed substring and 0 3. 0 means from 0 to 3 position it has to display. You can write in this way, high -3 and 3. If you are going to give, it is going to give you the last three character from the string, right? I hope you are understanding. If I'm going to give here 4, what is the result I will get? No, sorry. So now you can see that it is going to display this three character only and from the fourth position, right? So you can see 1 2 3 4. So 4 is your W. So from there it is going to display the three character, right? This is the way. So so if I will give here 4 except 4, I will write 5. So what will happen? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 it is coming from V. From V to 3 character it is going to display, right? If I will execute this, what I will get the result? From V to this one. So if you want last 3, so you have to write here 3. 3 3 means your last from third position display the third thing. If I will write here 4, right, result will be failed because I'm telling go and count the from last 3 value and display 4. It is not going to display, right? So if you want 4 4, then last 4 it is going to display. Means from here you count 4 and display the fourth from last position to fourth number, and from there you want. If I want, if I will make -4 and then I will give the 3, then result have the no problem. What will happen? It will go for 1 2 3 4, and for fourth it is going to display the 3th value. Or if you want like my last 4, so this is only the important. So last 4 means just hyphen -4 comma 4. So last 4 digits is going to display from the string. Same thing what I have given here, I have just created as a function. How you can create, just right here, and then again I'm writing if the length is greater than 3 because I want to display the value. And same way whatever I have written here, I have written in this way, right? And I'm just passing the value, so it will fail because it is the A has been written. I have to write here values dot length. So what I will do, I will load into the memory. And what logic is display the last 3. So now you can see the XYZ it is displaying. I hope you understood. Next, go to the third one. So you understood this, beginning of the string some character or from last to display something. Now the time is I want to display, I don't want to display last 3 character. I want to display the all, right? So how we can do this? Means just we want to remove the last 3 character and display the everything. So that one just we will go and we'll go for, again this is the script. I will copy, I will paste here. So same thing, I have taken one variable, and if you want to remove something, you just write 0 to 3. 0 to 3 means you have to use this time remove. There what we are using, there we was using substring. So here we are using the substring, right? Substring. And if you want to remove some value from last or from beginning, you have to use the remove method. So how to use that? You can save this value and after that give 0 and 3. What is the 0 and 3 means? From 0th position to 3 position just you remove. If you are going to give 1 here, what happened? From first position to 3 position it is going to remove. Like that value you will be able to see A will be there. Then from first is B C D, it is removed. E F it is there. I hope you understood this. But if you want from beginning, so you give the 0th position. 0 means from beginning three character, you remove it. That's it. Even you can remove from the G also. From any position you want, you can write the value here, from which position you want to remove and how many value you want to remove. So that is the two thing, from which position and from how many value. This is the number just you have to give. Again, I'm creating the function because I told you if you're writing anything, it has to be go with the function. So anywhere you can use it, right? You can call the function. Real time example we'll see into the some script, or you can go through my Udemy courses. There I have explained in the real time example, real time script which is related with the SQL server. You can go, you can watch, and you can learn many more things. And please subscribe this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're going to subscribe the channel, I'm going to get some value, or I will be happy, so I will be encouraged, so I will be just no, I will publish lot of a script, so it is going to be helpful for the all SQL server DBA, right? So because I have seen like many people are looking for the SQL DBA script, but they are not finding. I am teaching here very nice way. Please go and learn this, and you have to put your own effort. Only my video is not going to work, right? So you have to apply your mind also, and just I'm teaching you, and then you have to use it. So anyhow, I'm going with the next. Means if I have to remove the last three character, how we can do. I have taken this script. So what is this? So again, I have to use the remove method, and in the remove, just you write the length, how many you want to remove from last, right? So you can write here length. So length is means it is value dot length. Value dot length means what? It is just total length. So 8 minus 3. The meaning of this means you remove from 3 from the 8 last. So if you last you want to remove, you can go with the value dot length. So if I'm going to execute it, so it will be last three. But I cannot get, if you have this value is very big, right? So you cannot count. Even you can give the number also 26, you can give here 26, then also it is going to work, but we don't know this number, right? So that's why we are just writing this value dot length. So what will be the string of your length? From there it is going to delete the three three character and display the all remaining. So you can see the W X Y Z has been removed. Same thing I have created for function, and you just load this function and execute this script. You will get the result, right? So I hope you enjoyed this session, but this is the practical, and later we will going to learn about how we can use into the script. So guys, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please go and visit my Udemy courses. Link has been given into the description. Thanks for watching.